User Guide, Mobile App. 1. Power on the hologram fan. 2. The example uses iOS. Android operation is similar. 3. Scan the QR code in the user manual or search Spin Display in the App Store to download and install the app. 1. Turn off mobile data. 2. Connect your phone to the hologram fan's Wi-Fi network, FXXXX. Enter the default password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap Join. Once connected, launch the app. Open the app, Missyou. Click Control Device. If the app shows no device connected, close and restart the app. Device connected, show device names and counts. Name shows the current hologram fan's name. On/off, turn the hologram fan on or off. Settings, parameter settings. Brightness, adjust brightness from 50% to 100%. Angle, adjust the display angle from -180 to 180. Power boot, gray switch, fan remains off after power on. Use remote or app to start. Green switch, fan rotates automatically after power on. Use with caution. Time switch, set automatic on off schedule. Keep the fan plugged in for this to work. Tap OK to save. Connect router. When using multi-device splicing, customize Wi-Fi name and password. Set login authentication. Create a password for secondary login to prevent unauthorized control. Tap OK to save. Name. Modify the fan's name and optionally synchronize the Wi-Fi name. Tap OK to save. After the device's Wi-Fi name is changed, reconnect to the updated Wi-Fi network 11XXX in your phone's settings. Synchro group. Add multiple fans for unified control and synchronized playback. Remote control matching. Encrypt remote control to prevent interference. Display mode. Choose display mode, highlight, or true color. Sound to connect a Bluetooth speaker. Tap audio bowl. Adjust the volume. Select Search and Connect. Turn on the Bluetooth speaker as instructed. The device will automatically search for and connect to it. Format. Erase all contents on the TF card. Proceed carefully. Restore factory settings. Reset all settings to factory defaults. Third-party control allows integration and control through third-party central control systems. System parameters. Return to the main screen of the app. Tap plus to upload. Local files created in Design and files downloaded from cloud media are automatically saved local. Tap Local. Select the desired file. Use two fingers to zoom and adjust size and position. Adjust the video duration. Tap End. Rename the file. Tap OK. Uploading files. The file is saved to the playlist. Tap it to start playback. Tap plus to upload. Tap Picture Mobile Album, Video Mobile Album. Upload files from your phones. Select the video from your phone's album. Tap Choose. Use two fingers to zoom and adjust size and position. Adjust the video duration. Tap End. Rename the file and tap OK. Uploading files. The file is saved to the playlist. Tap it to start playback. Swipe the file to the left. Tap Edit to change the playback settings. File name. Set or modify the file name. Cycle times. Set the number of times the file will loop during playback. Show, display, and play the selected file in the playlist. Hide. Hidden files will not be played. Timing. Set a specific time range for the file to play automatically. Tap Complete. Tap Complete. Swipe the file to the left. Tap Delete to remove the file from the playlist. Tap OK. Delete the file. Help. Get usage and set up info. Devices. See how many fans are connected. Gallery, local, save to local files. Cloud, download from cloud media. Note: Wi-Fi must be connected to the internet when downloading from cloud. Tap Cloud. Select the desired file type and file, then tap Save. Tap OK. The downloaded file will be stored in local. To play local files, tap plus on the main interface, then select Local Upload Files. Design. Create custom files with text, backgrounds, and effects. Take creating custom text as an example. Tap Custom Text to enter the editing page. Enter the text. Configure the text settings. After settings, swipe in the display area with your finger to show the text. Tap Revoke to delete the previous text. Tap Clear to delete all text in the display area. After editing the text, tap Finish. To add backgrounds, tap Background Optional to choose files from local or mobile albums. Tap Local to upload local files. Local files can be selected for uploading. Tap Mobile Album to phone's files. After selecting the file, tap Choose. File upload completed. Enter file name. Tap OK. File has been created. Files created in Design are saved galleries local. Camera. Record display effects, adjusting parameters beforehand. For any issues during use, please contact our customer support. Thanks.